Hello everyone, welcome to new video. Today I got a new smartwatch Redmi Watch 2 Lite. This is the newest product of Redmi. So if you want a smartwatch, let's to the unboxing. It comes with a smartwatch, the to charge and the user manual. This one is black, but we have several different colors, and also you can this strap here. That's the 1.55 inches LCD. Here shows your calories, your steps, the level of the battery, shows your notifications. Here pushing up you can use some fast settings. Your heartbeat, so it will track 24 hours your heartbeat. The blood oxygen measure 96. It goes down the weather, you can set your location. It has more than 100 different modes of workout, so you can keep on track of each workout you do if you go to gymnastic outdoor sports. By clicking the button it has a lot features. You can add some timer, GPS mediation, keep track on your sleeping. You can listen to music. You can use the do not disturb, set your alarm. Your watch have an app that you can connect to your phone. It calls Xiaomi Wear, and here's the interface. You can set what we get from your phone you want to put on your watch. You have several types, more than 100 of faces that you can choose. I like that one, it's here. And it's 5 ATM waterproof, so you can do water sports. The battery is very long life, so with average use you can get 10 days without needing to charge again, and if you have used around 5 days. The new product of Redmi is very useful, very beautiful, and if you want to know more information about his product, click the link below and don't miss the like and subscribers.